we're trying to scoot it a little bit. We can hold it, but I think the front and back looks right, yeah?
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Alright, that was the weirdest border crossing. We just took the truck lane, the wide load lane, because there's no way we're going to fit in the car lane. There was no gate, there was no guard, there was no inspection. There was nothing. We just drove straight through. Nobody even cared. No one looked at us.
Let us catch you up on our situation. On a previous video, you saw us decide to go home. We made our way up to Guaymas, Mexico, where we quickly put the boat on the hard and returned home for some work, and to decide what we were going to do or what we could do. After 3 months of being home, we decided to take the trailer back to Mexico and haul Haraya back home, where we would repair or repower the engine. In true Adventure Can't Wait style, though, nothing goes as planned.
We missed this exit for the FMN, which is the basically your visa. They're going to stamp your passport. That's alright, there's nothing better than driving backwards, backing your trailer up on the wrong way, you know, of the road.
But if we can get into this parking lot, it's wide open. That's why we wanted to do that. So that's why I didn't say a word about it when he went backwards on the freeway. I didn't say a word. Alright, we're on the road again. We just stopped, got our FMM signed. I guess if you are only coming for 7 days, it's free, so that was nice. But then we paid it up when we had to use the restroom real quick. 50 cents a person, which is fine. We did it. It was clean, had running water, washed our hands, went back to the truck, went to get in, and it wouldn't unlock. Talk about having a panic attack for a second. But with my fancy fingers, I got it to work. So we're back in and on the road, and we got, what, 5 hours to Guaymas, and we'll be there along this bumpy road.
These guys are serious about their speed bumps. I think they're about 2 feet high.
Can send you airborne if not paying attention. Don't ask me how I know. Boy, it's been a minute. Remember the password. Oh, lovely. I just broke my boat.
There you go.
Ooh, it smells like rotten. Smells like rubber, melted rubber. Well, home sweet home.
they've got it on the travel lift. They got it close. So they want me to, they're gonna pick it up. They're gonna want me to back underneath it so the boat's not swaying. So I'm pretty sure that is our plan.
I have begun to melt. It's not even hot yet.
I think the,
That'll go high enough?
well, we're trying to scoot it a little bit. We can hold it, but I think the front and back looks right, yeah? That's what we're really concerned about right now, so the weight's on the trail.
I will check. Can I sit in it? Do I look comfy? Do I look comfy?
Salt air, man. Rusted our lock within a matter of like what, 4 months or so? Nothing like breaking into your boat.
Buy a boat, he says. You're gonna hear that a lot again. We need padding for the mast. And because everything has more than one use on the boat, especially one our size, the fenders act as padding for the mast that's coming off today.
Since we are a keel stepped sailboat, that means that the mast goes clear down into through the boat and sits on the keel. Right now I've got the outboard motor strapped to the mast, and we're gonna pull the mast here in a couple of hours. So now we gotta figure out where to put our toilet, our composting head, our outboard motor. Man, this boat is such a disaster. This kind of sucks, actually. It's such a mess in here. Ready? Seems to be how it just goes. We had the outboard down where we wanted it. We got to undo the antenna, the VHF cable. Had to move it all, do it all again. Oh man, I'm dripping sweat.
So am I. And for the record, short hair, it's still hot. And now it's in my face. I'm not pleased. You look like you have a tie-dye shirt on.
I have a sweaty shirt on. We're trying to get this bimini apart, and so far it's been going all right, but we just ran into a little snag. This little set screw right here, we can't find an Allen key, an Allen wrench for it, and we cannot get it off. So now we're gonna try to unbolt all this, to see if we can slide this thing out. Always something.
Oh, it's hot now. It's hot. It's hot. I'm not crying, it's sweat.
Man, it is 8:30 a.m. Look at me. Look at the sweat just rolling off my stomach fat like I'm soaking wet. But we've got the Bimini tore down. We're gonna just try to figure out a place to store this thing for a while. I think we are actually gonna make it by the time the crane gets here. We do not have a whole lot left to do, which would be great because it'd be nice to, you know, take care of a few odds and ends that aren't necessarily necessary, but would be nice to just clean up before we bail out of here. We mentioned it's hot.
You said that once or twice. It's funny, you know, when you're here, it's hot, but you acclimate. And right now it's just unbelievably wet. Swampy. Catch us next time as we head home again. You can support us by hitting that like and subscribe button. You can also check us out on Patreon. Hasta luego.